When you power up the machine, this boots up automatically right into the screen here. And now I'm going to turn the control on. To do that, we just hit that button. Machine homes, references. Very smooth. And then that buzzing sound is the hopper has been turned on as well. And that is variable speed control. That's done right down here. And we can dial that down. Speed that back up. So programming is pretty simple. We're going to hit F2, and then we can go through the list here, which there are a bunch of programs already pre-made. We can create a new program by hitting F2, or I can just call up a known program by also typing the name of it, hitting enter, and then F3 to open that program once I've got the correct program I want. So there it is. We can see we're using zones 1 and zone 4. And if we hit F1, it'll actually bring up a graphic as well. And we can zoom out and zoom in. And we can hit F8 or escape to get out of that. And now we're back at our program screen. So from here, if we like the program we've got, it's using tool 8, there's the X dimensions. If we like that program, we can hit F7 to load. The program's loaded and ready to go. So at this stage, I can come over here, load my workpiece up, and hit the start button. Clamps release. And there's my dowels inserted into the holes that I drilled. I did 6 holes in that program. And that's a quick look at the Gannomat Index 150 LS. It is available now.